Every document management system out there says that they're the best for law firms. But if they're all saying that, how do you actually figure out which one's right for your practice? Here's the thing, most of them weren't even built for law firms to begin with. They look slick, talk a big game, but they miss the mark where it matters most, helping real legal teams stay organized, secure, and efficient. So what features should you really be looking for? Is it search, security, email management? And how do you tell the difference between a real document management system and a glorified file storage that's been rebranded for lawyers? In this video, I'm going to walk you through what to look for in a legal DMS, what to avoid, and how to make the right choice for your firm. Let's start with the problem. Most document management systems just aren't designed for law firms. A lot of them are built for general businesses, not legal workflows. So while they might check a few boxes, they're usually clunky, hard to use, and don't really fit the way lawyers actually work. Some need expensive servers and outside consultants just to get running. Others say they're cloud-based, but they're slow, limited, or lack key security features required for law firms. And pricing is a whole other issue. Some document management systems don't even list their prices on their websites. Others list an affordable base price, but surprise you with add-on fees, storage limits, and other hidden costs you didn't see coming. But the biggest issue is that adoption rates can be low. If your team finds the system frustrating to use, they'll pretend it doesn't exist, which means your firm is paying for something that no one actually uses. That's the opposite of what a DMS is supposed to do. So what features do matter in a legal DMS? First, you need structure that makes sense for a law firm. That means organizing your documents, emails, and notes by client and matter, not just one big folder. Next, you need a robust search system, not just by file name, but full text search. You should be able to find anything, no matter where it's stored or how old it is. Version control is also a must. You want to track edits, go back to a previous draft if needed, and know who changed what. Security is a non-negotiable. You should be able to see who controls what, set permissions by case or department, and protect your data with proper encryption. And let's not overlook email management. A good DMS should let you file emails straight from Outlook into the right matter, so everything's in one place. Other helpful tools include document check-in and check-out, metadata tagging, audit trails, all the behind-the-scenes stuff that makes collaboration smoother and keeps your firm compliant. Some systems even go further with built-in OCR, Mac and Windows support, and integrations with tools like Microsoft Office. These extras make the system easier to use, which means your team's more likely to stick with it. Here's a hard truth. Even the best software fails if your team doesn't actually use it. And that's why adoption is so important. You have to make sure the DMS you choose fits into your team's workflow without slowing anyone down. If the system is confusing, slow, or annoying to use, people will just go around it. They'll keep using email and desktop folders like they always have. That's why onboarding and training matter. Your DMS provider should help your team get up to speed. You should make sure that they have a help center and training videos. And when something goes wrong, you need solid support, not just a help article. Real humans who know the legal space and can actually solve your issue quickly. So do your due diligence and look at reviews before purchasing. Also, you need to think long term. Does the provider listen to feedback? Are they updating the software regularly? Are they going to grow with your firm? Remember that they're working for you, so they should be receptive to your feedback and requests for training and support. That includes new feature requests. Now let's talk about how to actually pick the right document management system. Start with how your team works. Are you handling high volume litigation, corporate matters, remote teams? Do you need tight Outlook integration? These things matter more than a laundry list of features that you might never use. Also consider firm size. A solo attorney doesn't necessarily need the same system as a 50-person litigation team. Some DMS platforms are overkill for small firms. Others won't scale as you grow. Security and compliance should always be part of the equation. Make sure the system is built to protect sensitive data and that it has the reliability your firm needs to operate without interruption. And don't forget the human side of the equation. Is it easy to use? Is training included? Will support actually help your team when they hit a wall? At the end of the day, the best document management system is the one that your team can depend on day after day. To wrap it up, a good DMS should help your firm stay organized, secure, and productive. If you are exploring options now, focus on what's going to work for your team, not just what looks good on paper. If you want a system that's built specifically for law firms, one that handles documents and emails, works on both Mac and Windows, and just makes sense out of the box, check out LexWorkplace. If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts and questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal tech insights.